So my role is to come to the Pacific countries that are members of PACER Plus and support them in terms of how they can get on board with using the ePhyto system. So the training's been focused on the different roles that the exporters and the quarantine staff have and the different functions they'll be using in the system. So now at the end of this training, I'd say that Tonga is ready to start using ePhyto, and they'll be able to start trading electronically with other partners within the Pacific as well.
With our current system, our phytosanitary certificate we're using now is to ensure we avoid forgery. We have to pre-print the form with numbers, and our computer will verify the data we enter and the number already pre-printed. So there's a lot of manually data entered, so human error is very high. Introducing of ePhyto is a good solution. I think it will benefit firstly our service. Secondly is the exporter's time. If we have the ePhyto, our inspector can be there, send the information to us, whereby the exporter can view it at the same time before issuing the final cert for sending to New Zealand or importing countries that their products are going to. So it saves time, faster for trade.
ePhyto training today, what I've learned is it's electronic phyto. And then for what I've learned from this workshop, it will be much quicker, easier and faster. Refer to my past experience on the manual phyto. It's normally take a day or two to process an issue. And then I think in the future it would be much more helpful as exporter in a quicker way and easier.
제시 그때 이 볼까라마 거네 아니 아니 볼까마 거네 ePhyto 보고 또건나 역대 이 ePhyto 마병에 먹어도 딱 뭐에 막 비즈니스 모리.
The phytosanitary certificate is very important to countries because it helps with their trade of plant products. And the idea behind it is to stop the spread of pests and diseases. So if we think of Pacific countries that have quite remote, some of the plant pests that the other parts of the world have had. So that by having the phytosanitary certificate, it helps them maintain their pest status, and it helps them trade with other countries as well. So the ePhyto project is to give a number of benefits to the government in each country and also to the industry. So we can use the certificate to remove some of the errors that we have in the paper world. It makes the whole process a lot more efficient, a lot more streamlined, and it saves time and money for the industry in terms of getting their goods out of the country and into the importing country as well.